If your Hyundai Kona's Apple CarPlay keeps dropping out, it's frustrating, but the fix is usually simpler than you think. Believe it or not, 85% of CarPlay issues are caused by using a low-quality or damaged charging cable. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your dashboard back in sync. Start by performing a hard reset on both your iPhone and the Kona's infotainment system using the recessed reset button. Always use an Apple-certified MFI cable and check your phone's port for pocket lint that might prevent a snug fit. If you use wireless CarPlay, ensure your phone's VPN and personal hotspot are turned off to avoid signal interference. Distinguishing between a software glitch and a loose USB port will determine if you need an update or a trip to the dealer. As you can see, the vast majority of these issues are resolved just by swapping the cable or cleaning the port. If all else fails, delete the pairing from both devices and reset your iPhone's network settings before reconnecting. Keep these simple tools in your glove box to handle connection drops while you're on the road. Remember that your Kona's head unit is essentially a computer. A simple reboot is often the most effective fix. Try a new cable today and get back to enjoying your music and maps. Safe driving.